Hey, Dr. Joyce. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and we are local in Chico. And in this video, I just wanted to show you real quick a couple key things that you guys can do and start implementing right now so you can start getting in more new patients. So as you can see, we are on your website. Looks like you have a decent website. I am noticing though there's not a whole lot of content going on here. So Google likes to see a minimum of about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page, targeting your buyer intent keywords. So what that breaks down to is about 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. And you need to go after the terms that your new patients are actually going to be searching in the Chico area. So it's really important to not only have those terms, but also the location with it, um, so that Google can help um, put you in front of your potential new patients. So unfortunately, Google does not rank you based on your appearance. They have little robots, called crawlers, that go and index all of your pages based on the content. So if the content is not there in the keywords, they're not going to be able to index you and rank you to the top of Google for your individual services. So it's going to be really important to work on your content strategy. You should also have a separate page for any special services that you have. If you're just doing general chiropractic, um, you could have a page about that. But if you do any types of specialties or have additional types of services, you really should have an additional page for each so that you can go after those keywords to help those patients find you. Excuse me. Your top competitor in Chico for the chiropractor Chico keyword is Rogers Chiropractic. They have a nice looking website and they got more content, and they're also going after those local based buyer intent keywords. So this is why they're able to be number one in the Google organics. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to have more content and develop your keyword strategy for your different services so that you can become number one in Google and start getting those calls organically. Now, if we go here, this is a website we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see right here, you have a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means they don't have a lot of trust in your website, and that has everything to do with your backlinks and referring domains. So not all backlinks are created equal. It's really important that you have authoritative backlinks so that it can help boost you up in Google. And because you don't have a whole lot of content and keywords, you're only being indexed for 56 and only seeing about 50 people to your website on average per month. When we look at Rogers Chiropractic, they also have a pretty low score. Um, they have 196 backlinks, and with the score being that low, that says a lot of those backlinks are kind of junky. So you need to have more backlinks, but also more authoritative backlinks. But because of their keyword strategy, they're actually being indexed for over 400 keywords. So they're getting 700 people or more to their website every month. So you're missing out on quite a bit of potential traffic. So it's going to be really important to go work on the keyword and content strategy. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant those backlinks are to your services, the more power it's going to give you. And these are really closely linked to your content and keywords. So the backlinks should be going to your keywords on your homepage and your back pages, so that it can help boost you up in Google, and so you can get more organic new patients instead of having to pay for them. And the last thing I want to show you real quick is the Google Maps. So this is your Google My Business page or Google Maps. This is a highly competitive area. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 for your keywords, because 30% of people searching for services, they come here and don't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, you're giving your new patients to your competition. So this is a really important part. There's several factors that go into this. Some of it has to do with your website and reviews, but the biggest thing is that you have citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. So you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips that I've shown you today, your website can become #1 in Chico for chiropractic care. And so I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided and apply it yourself, which is completely okay. This is just an educational video. However, if you would like help getting some of this stuff done so you can start bringing in new patients, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.